Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ludney and today I'm back with another video. I'm going to visit two different houses. So I'm going house hunting. One of them is worth around $600,000. The other one around $495,000. And they are both located in Montreal and almost the same area. So let's go take a look at them and I'll be back to explain to you what I thought of both houses and the potential of buying them. See you in a couple of minutes.
A few moments later.
As you can see, this is me going up the stairs of the house. This is the house for $600,000 and I'm about to go inside. This is the entrance hall. As you can see, it's pretty neat. And this is the living room. It's huge. It's like giving open flair to it because it's kind of open. And as you can see, it's pretty huge. And then just across it, it's the first bedroom. It's a nice size bedroom. As you can see, there's a lot of light and a huge space where you could put your clothes. And it's very pretty with the large mirror in it. And yeah, this is it. Okay. This is me going up the entrance hall again, and then at the right to the left of me, this is the bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom is huge. It's pretty. It's have like an old flair to it. You could still renovate some part of it if you wanted. And there's like a shower. This is me going back up to the entrance hall again, and then this time I'm in the dining area slash kitchen. There's not a lot of space, but still it's a nice size. It's not like really huge, but still. This is the second bedroom across from the kitchen area. It's kind of a nice size bedroom. It's not huge or anything. This is the third bedroom, almost the same size as the second bedroom. And have a space where you could put your clothes in also, and have like a nice window giving light from the backyard to the bedroom. This is me going to the backyard, and the backyard looked huge, like a nice deck area where you could have a barbecue and have fun and invite your friend over in the summertime. And you see there's a lot of space in the backyard also, and it's a lot of greenery. It's very pretty. This is me going down to the basement. Unfortunately, we could not visit the first floor, so we just look at the first. No, we could not visit the second floor. We only look at the first floor in the basement. This is a huge living space in the basement. This is the garage, and then I'm walking to the dining area slash kitchen area, and there's a lot of space, which means you could rent that space if you wanted to. And there's a door that gives to the yard, that you can go from the basement to the yard. You have access to the yard from the basement, which is really pretty nice. And yeah, if you wanted to buy this house, you could rent the basement, rent the first floor, and this is like a nice size bathroom in the basement. Like sometimes the basement doesn't have bathroom. This is really pretty well equipped. There's a bathroom, there's a kitchen, and there's a like nice space living area that you could turn into like a bedroom slash living room situation, and have like a mini loft or mini studio. This is the garage. It's pretty huge. You could put a lot of stuff in there. It could be a storage space, and there's even another room from the garage to like the washing room, where you have all the space to wash clothes from like the first for the first floor and the basement. There's a huge pantry. As you can see, the pantry is pretty nice. You could turn it into a walk-in if you wanted to, with clothes, depending on what you want to do. There's a door from the basement to the outside that gives way back to the street, which means you could get into the basement without having to go upstairs, and which is really pretty nice, which means you could really rent that separately if someone wanted to live in the basement for like $600,000 or $700,000 pretty nicely. This is the second house for $495,000. I can see this is me going up the stairs. This time we visit both apartments, but the second video is a little bit blurry. This is the first bedroom. It's a nice size bedroom, but it's not pretty huge. The second one is kind of the same size. If you're a kid, as you can see, it's like 2 bedroom in it. And this is the hall. The hall, they have the appliances there, and this is the bathroom. It's an okay bathroom. It's not huge, it's really small, I feel like. And then there's the kitchen, living room, and dining room, which means it's a pretty small space. This apartment, this house, I mean, it's only like 2 4.5, which means there's only 2 bedrooms in each apartment, which is not a lot of space. And the other house for $600,000 had like 3 bedrooms. This is the big difference between both of them, and there was way more space. As you can see, the deck space here is not pretty huge. This is me going up the second floor, and you can see the street that way, going up the second floor, still walking. And I had to take my shoes off, Canada stuff, and I don't know, maybe it's because of COVID or whatever, but we had to take our shoes off. And then this is the first bedroom. I don't have a lot of video for that. The second bedroom is the same size as the other one. The bathroom is the same one. The kitchen space is a little bit different, but not that different. And then this is me going down again. And then I wanted to talk about, you guys, what did you think of this house? It's pretty nice. I think the $600,000 is way more money. It could be done, like you could rent it more easily. You could do a lot of stuff with it. And then the second house, there's not a lot of space. It's pretty small, and I don't think it's worth $495,000. But that's me, like. And I think that you should probably, if someone was buying a house between both of them, find the money to buy the first one instead of the second one. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope it really explained to you both houses, and you could see the benefit of both of them. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.